It is often possible if the students belong to the civil servants background. Most of them are inspired by their elders at home. In the house of those who already have a civil servant, children also start aspiring after class 10th. The age of 16 years is the best. Such students get more time to understand the selection process and to understand the exam pattern. It is an advantage to prepare for the exam so soon that you get to know everything in advance. But it also has a disadvantage that if students are not successful in the first attempt, then they are disappointed. With the energy of young age and quick minds of students, but your focus should only be on studying properly. You should never think that you will get more chances once. Take benefit of more time. Remember that your time is precious. Use it in the right way. Read only the necessary books for UPSC. Join a mock test series. Use your time properly. Read the newspaper. Keep writing.